For the first part of this question, we've been asked to expand a bracket. So we need to do 3x times x squared, which would give you 3x cubed, and 3x times minus 2, which would be minus 6x. For part B, we need to make g the subject of the formula, so it reads g equals. So we just need to use our algebra skills here, and the first thing I'm going to do is take away 2 from both sides, which would leave f minus 2 equals minus 3g. And then I want to get rid of this times by minus 3. So the inverse of times by minus 3 is divide by minus 3. So just be careful, because the minus sign isn't going anywhere on that one. That's part of the calculation. F minus 2 all over minus 3 is equal to g. And just what we do then is flip it round so it reads g equals f take away 2 all over minus 3. For part C, we use the same sort of skills for solving equations that we would use. So I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides, which would leave me with 7x is less than 32. I'm now going to get rid of that times by 7, so divide by 7, divide by 7. X is less than 32 divided by 7, and that would be an acceptable answer. But what might actually help us is in the next part of the question, because it says what is the greatest value of x that satisfies the above inequality. So just to help me work this out, I'm going to just take this a little bit further and say, well, what is 32 divided by 7? 32 divided by 7. Well, 7 goes into 32 4 times to be 28. There's 4 remaining. So 7 into 40 goes 5 times, and it goes on and on. So I know that the actual answer is somewhere between 4 and 5, but to satisfy inequalities, that's the word they've used there, which value of x would satisfy the above inequality, I'm just going to quickly explain this. So if we said x was 4 and substituted that back into this equation, into this inequality, we're saying that, well, 7 4s take away 3 is less than 29. Well, let's see if that works. Well, 7 4s are 28. Take away 3 is 25. 25 is less than 29. That works out. That's correct. If we took x as 5, if we rounded up to be x equal to 5, well, 7 5s take away 3. 7 5s are 35. Take away 3 is 32. Is 32 less than 29? It's not, so x must equal 4 to satisfy the inequality. So that's what we would put there.